What is the cone of experience? Dale's cone of experience is a visual model that composed stages starting from the concrete experience to at the bottom of the cone. Then it became more and more abstract as it reached the peak of the cone. The cone of experience by Edgar Dale is the pictorial device used to explain the interrelationship of the various types of audiovisual media as well as their individual position in the learning. It is a visual model that shows a continual learning, a pictorial device that presents band of experiences. The top of the cone, the verbal symbol. It is principal medium of communication. It is highly abstract. It can be not physically resembled to the object or ideas for they stand. It may be word, ideas, principle, or philosophical reason. Next level is visual symbol. It is fixed tempo presentation of ideas, topic, or situation that is very easy to produce, and limitation or lack ability to use media of visual simplification. This level would be the still pictures, recordings, and record. It catch up attention, and particularly projected views concertize verbal abstract limitation of pictures or limitation illustration, expensive or projected materials and equipment, timing, difficulties between a radio show and classroom lesson. Another level would be the television and motion picture. It reconstructs reality of the past that we are made to feel, that we are the abstraction level to get neutral. Let's go on to the next level. The exhibit are displays to be seen by a spectator. They may consist of working models arranged meaningfully or photographs with models and posters. The next level, the study trip, expression of educational trip that is conductive event, and this is unavailable in classroom. Another level, demonstration. It is visualized explanation of an important fact, idea, or process by the use of graph, drawing, film, misplaced, or a guided motion. Level, third from the base, the dramatized experience. Through dramatization, we can participate in reconstructed experience to the original event that is far removed from us. And the second from the base, contrived experiences. We make as representative model mock-ups of reality for practical reason. And last, direct purposeful experiences. It is first-hand experience which serve as the foundation of our learning. Thus, this concrete concept need to experience by the every learners. However, it was said that the base of our level of involvement after 2 weeks, here's what we tend to remember. 10% of what we read, 20% of what we hear, 30% of what we see, 50% of what we hear and see, 70% of what we say, 90% of what we say and do. These show that direct experiences has allowed us to use all senses, the more sensory channel possible in interacting with the resource better the chance that many students learn from it. In the cone chart, the average retention rate from various methods of teaching that further you progress down the cone, the greater the learning and more information is likely to be retained. It is important to remember that involving students in the progress strengthening knowledge retention. It reveals that action learning techniques result in up to 90% retention. People learn best when they use perceptual learning style, like what Edgar Dale say. Instruction should be designed instructional activity that build upon more real-life experiences. It means that instructor should design instructional materials or activity that build upon more real-life experiences. And that what Edgar Dale's cone of experience.